did you balance starting a business and working at Eastman at the same time?
Whoa. You're going all the way in. We have no lead in. We have no hook.
Well,
Almost wrecking the truck. There's a hook right there trying to make a video and almost wrecking. That's a hook right there. That's what almost happened. I don't know. I guess the whole purpose of this channel, what we're trying to do here is deliver to anyone and everyone who wants to, has ever thought about, or is currently running and operating a service-based business. Whether it be lawn care, landscaping, pressure washing, masonry, all kinds of subcontract work. I mean, all of it. So and then I guess furthermore, to prelude into that, what I am, who I am. My name is Dustin Davis. I started in the lawn care industry 12 years ago. I was in the military before that for 4 years. That's when you came into this world. This is my son. He's 15 now. He's helped me from day one. For his 5th birthday, he asked for a weed eater, so I got him a little bit shaft Troy built, little cheapo, so he could actually use it. He couldn't use my commercial Red Max. So he's been there from the beginning, and that's why I want to include him on this stuff. I want to include him on my content delivery, the editing, the future of it, because this right here is the future. Being able to deliver a message and help people solve problems before they even know they're coming is a skill that can only be acquired through actually doing the work. Like, you can't fake it, you can't learn it overnight, you can't read a book and figure it out. Like, there's multiple things that I have done that has led me to where I currently am and where we are, you know? Now, I took that lawn care business and I ran it on the side for 5 years, while at the same time I was going to school to get into an apprenticeship program with Eastman, which is a local chemical company. And without that job, I wouldn't have anything that I have right now, to be quite honest. It allowed me to have the security that banks want to see for me to be able to get loans, like the house loan, property, all that stuff. That came because I worked at Eastman. Now I have found that it is extremely hard to get any kind of loan if you don't, as a small business owner, especially in the first 5 years. It's really hard. Now things are a little bit different, but I'll be quite honest with you, every time I go to the bank and ask for money, I'm always surprised when they tell me yes.